Everybody, today we're drawing a cute little dog. First, draw the head. And if I'm too fast for you, you can always pause the video and catch up. Now, if you want to add these ears or these ears, I'm fine with that. But do whatever you want. Okay. So now add a cute little puppy dog face. This is how you draw the mouth. You do a little nose right there. Draw a line down, another line down. And if you want, you can add eyelashes. That's what I do. And I add some blush. So now you go like that. If you want your dog to be like a beagle or something, then you draw that on the other side. So now you go down, add a leg, and another leg, and another leg, and another leg. Then go up, onto the dog's face. And if you want, you can add a tail. And if you want, you can add a background too. I'm gonna put mine in a dog park. I'm gonna show you this soon. You can even add some puppies if you'd like. Hey, I'm gonna keep doing it. Okay, park. For this video, bye.